number 1, landscape. Shoot in a landscape mode to capture more of the scene and to avoid having two black vertical bars along both sides. Tip number 2, clean the camera lenses. By cleaning the camera lens to avoid fingerprints, smudges, oil, dirt, and dust to have a better quality of your camera. Tip number 3, lightings. Experiment with your lightings. It creates mood and good atmosphere. Tip number 4, multiple takes. By recording multiple takes and angles, we will have a flexibility for our videos editing. Lastly, tip number 5, using a tripod or a stabilizer. By using this, we will avoid shaky footages.